Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. The S&P 500 jumped to its highest level in 13 months on Monday, as traders hope the Federal Reserve will skip hiking rates when the central bank decides on Wednesday. Traders have priced in a roughly 72% chance that there will be no hike, potentially bringing to an end the 10 consecutive rate hikes since starting this latest policy tightening cycle in March 2022. Tuesday's inflation data could help reinforce the case that inflation is subsiding, as economists expect the consumer price index to show inflation dropping to a 4% annual rate in May. That's down from 4.9% in the prior month. Overnight, the S&P 500 added 0.93%. The benchmark surpassed its high from last August and reached the best level since late April 2022. The Nasdaq Composite popped 1.53%, also reaching its highest level since April 2022. The Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed 0.56%. This added to small gains made over the June long weekend. Oracle shares climbed as much as 5% in extended trading on Monday after the software vendor announced fiscal fourth quarter results that exceeded Wall Street's expectations. Excluding the after-hours move, Oracle shares have climbed almost 43% so far this year, while the S&P 500 index is up 13% over the same period. The stock rose 6% in regular trading, its best day in a year. And Apple shares rose more than 1.5% on Monday to close at an all-time high. The milestone comes a week after Apple's biggest product launch of the year. Last Monday, the company kicked off its developers conference and unveiled the Vision Pro headset, its first entirely new product line since 2014. Novartis has agreed to acquire Chinook Therapeutics for $3.5 billion, aiming to boost its late-stage drug development lineup and advance the race for a rare kidney disease treatment, with Chinook's shareholders receiving $3.2 billion in cash and a contingent value right of up to $300 million. In Europe, UBS has closed its takeover of Credit Suisse. The combination of Switzerland's two biggest banks will create a financial giant with $1.6 trillion in assets and a formidable presence in wealth management. To prevent more of the kinds of scandals that plagued Credit Suisse, UBS has reportedly imposed restrictions on its former rivals' bankers, including a ban on doing business with countries like Libya and Venezuela. In commodity news, the rise in EV sales and lithium shortages are driving car makers to consider sodium-based batteries, potentially leading to a decline in lithium demand, while South Korea's stock market approaches a bull territory due to a foreign investment in AI stocks and local investors focusing on EV battery-related shares. Overall, almost all US sectors closed higher overnight. Tech was the best performer, whilst energy was the worst. The SPY futures are pointing to a 0.4% gain. Thank you for listening.